Do you think you got ribs down? Hold up, because today I'm showing you how to cook ribs on the grill and take your barbecue to a whole new level. From picking the perfect cut to next level smoking tricks, I'll walk you through every step of how to cook ribs on the grill. We're talking tender, juicy, smoky perfection. Are you ready to get started? Then let's go. Alright, first things first, let's talk about the ribs. I recommend going for St. Louis style ribs or baby back ribs. St. Louis ribs are great for grilling because they got a good amount of meat and straight bones, which makes slicing a breeze. When you're picking them out, look for nice marbling. That's the little streaks of fat in the meat. This is what makes your ribs juicy and tender. Let's talk about how to prep the ribs. Now, trimming might sound complicated, but it's not. Start by removing the membrane from the back of the ribs. It's a simple step that helps the seasoning and the smoke really get into the meat. Then trim off any big chunks of fat. You don't need to go overboard, just enough to help the ribs cook evenly. And today, I'm using Buck's barbecue seasoning. It's one of my go-to rubs because it really amps up the flavor. But if you got a favorite rub, feel free to use it. The key is to coat the ribs evenly. You want every inch covered. And here's a tip. Let the rub sit for about 45 minutes. As the meat sweats, the flavors soak in. This small step makes a big difference. By the time you're ready to grill, the ribs will be full of flavor. Now, let's fire up the grill. I'm using apple wood for a sweet smoky flavor. If you want to master cooking ribs on the grill, choosing the right wood can elevate your barbecue game. The aroma alone is enough to get your mouth watering. Oh, and by the way, if you're new to backyard barbecue and want a little extra help with cooking times and temperatures, I've got a free guide that'll make things super easy for you. It covers everything from meats to veggies and is perfect for getting started. Just drop a 100 in the comments below and I'll set it your way. Once the ribs are on the grill, keep the temperature steady. Every hour, give them a spritz with a mix of water and apple juice. This keeps them juicy and lets the smoky flavor sink in. And then trust the process. Good ribs take time. After a couple hours, it's time to wrap them. Add some honey, brown sugar, and butter before wrapping them in foil. This creates a glaze that soaks into the meat, making it ridiculously good. Those that know how to cook ribs on the grill, don't skip this step. Once wrapped, the ribs go right back on the grill for another hour. The foil locks in all that steam, turning them tender and flavorful. Now comes the final touch, barbecue sauce. Unwrap the ribs and brush on a generous coat. Let them sit on the grill for 15 minutes so the sauce caramelizes. This is where we go from good to legendary. Sticky, sweet, and smoky perfection. It's time to slice these bad boys up. Cut between the bones and check out that bite, tender and juicy without falling apart. That's how you know you nailed it. Serve them up and let the compliments roll in. If you want a summary of this video and a complete step-by-step process, I dropped a link in the comments. So there you have it, perfect smoky ribs straight off the grill. If you've ever been wondering how to cook ribs on the grill, now you've got everything you need to impress at your next barbecue. And if you're loving this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Plenty more barbecue goodness is coming your way.